Come on.
Empire Sanitation, this is Eddie.
Yeah, hi. I'm trying to track down some items that were accidentally picked up from a dumpster outside my apartment.
Dumpster number?
Hang on. Uh, 64476.
That's Route 33. Truck's already left its shift. If your stuff's not there, you're out of luck.
Wait, please. This is important. Can you at least tell me where the truck is?
Let me check. Alright. Looks like it should be at the municipal garage at Bowery and Grand.
Got it. Thanks, Eddie. Municipal garage. Bowery and Grand.
Bonsoir à tous, aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour une vidéo pour l'épisode, je ne sais plus combien, sur Marvel Spider-Man Remastered.
Can't be that hard. Finding a tiny flash drive in a 30-ton garbage truck.
Ouais, donc voilà, il s'est fait têche de son appart, le pauvre. Et donc on va à la recherche du petit disque dur. On va jouer le fouilleur de poubelle, le petit raton laveur, Spider-Man. C'est parti. La prochaine fois, il faudrait introduire Rocket Raccoon dans l'univers.
Of course it's locked. Can't have people stealing garbage.
Oh, il est magnifique le graffiti du Rhino.
It's not really breaking and entering if I don't break anything, right? Okay, no need to panic. Maybe they haven't dumped the trash yet. Nada. Okay,
Nada, pourquoi il parle espagnol?
Empire Sanitation, this is Eddie.
Sorry, is there any chance the truck wasn't at the garage?
Sure, I guess. Just means it'd be somewhere in West Chinatown.
Great. I'm headed there now.
Hop, on ressort.
Hey, it's a long shot, but sometimes the guys stop for pizza before they drop off.
Really? I'll check out the pizza shops. Any idea which one?
One of the mom and pop joints, I think.
Jerry's?
No, that's uptown.
I mean original Jerry's.
Oh, right. No, started with an L, I think.
Larry's?
That's on the east side.
Leo's.
Leo's, yeah. That might be it. Man, I love Leo's.
I'll pick you up a pie. I owe you one.
No worries. Hope you find what you're looking for.
Thanks, Eddie. Should be some trucks close by.
Voilà, on est à Léos.
Nope, stuff's not here.
Non, y a rien. Ah, par contre,
Another truck around here.
il y a une grande part de pizza là. C'est qui a payé, qui a pas bouffé quand même? C'est cher aujourd'hui, hein. Là, il y a un sac.
No sign of my stuff. What an interesting smell.
Et le dernier,
Only hope.
ah bah c'est bon.
Not there either, huh?
You sure they were around here?
Well, the guys might have switched routes due to the upcoming Osborne rally. If your pickup was on Route 35, they'd be dropping off at the incinerator right now.
Incinerator?
Over by Manhattan Bridge.
J'étais sur la bonne piste. Hop, on va sauver le petit disque de l'incinérateur. Merde, qu'est-ce que j'ai fait? On va plus faire ça. Let's go, ici. Ah oui, il y avait des méchants, j'avais oublié. Get over here. J'ai vraiment entendu Scorpion dans sa voix. Enfin, pas le Scorpion de Marvel, mais le Scorpion de Mortal Kombat, vous aurez bien deviné.
Okay? Yeah, thanks. This gang's been terrorizing the whole neighborhood the last couple of days. There's probably more of them on the way.
I'll keep an eye out. Hey, mind if I look around for some personal items?
Sure, have at it. I gotta go file an incident report.
Et bah
There's something
nickel.
there. Gotta move these bags out of the way. I think that's it.
En vrai, y a rien dans les poubelles là. C'est du gâchis de sac poubelle.
Please be here, please be here. Yes. Hope it still works. Phew, looks like everything's here.
Eh ben tout ça, hein.
Hey, look, an old gadget prototype.
Ouais, bah ça j'utilise déjà.
Kinda awesome. Why didn't I ever finish it?
J'ai le New Game Plus,
I think I can make this work.
le pass VIP.
Look, it's that guy. It's Spider-Man.
Uh-oh.
Ouais, tu te manges mes patates, tu vas voir si c'est pas Spider-Man. Attends. Hop. Oh, j'ai envie de faire un truc. Ça là. J'ai envie de faire ça. Et j'ai envie de faire ça. Oh, ça c'est beau. Dans les poubelles. Oh là 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 là. C'est beau ce que j'ai fait. Hein.
Okay, well, this night isn't quite going as planned.
Ah, ils sont tous bien alignés là.
Guess I could try MJ's.
Et lui par contre, ouais, j'ai bien aimé. Let's go. Allez à l'appartement de MJ. Home Sweet Home. Homecoming ou quoi là?
How am I gonna talk my way onto MJ's couch? Let's see. Hi MJ, it's Peter. Any chance I could stay over? Oh, that's too formal.
Arrête de te répéter. Ça vient du cœur, t'inquiète pas.
MJ, I was just in the neighborhood and that's lame.
Y'a rien de bizarre, y'a rien de bizarre. C'est normal. T'as besoin d'aide,
Hey,
tu
MJ,
demandes.
now that we're talking again, I thought maybe. Okay, that just sounds pathetic.
Non, ouais, j'avoue, là
Why
t'abuses,
am
mon
I
frère.
making this such a big deal?
Oui, calme-toi, c'est rien.
Friends, right? Friends crash on each other's couches all the time.
Exactement.
It's not weird or anything. It's just a couch. MJ's couch. Just got a web alert.
Il est trop perturbé, Peter.
Looks like MJ's story just got published. I think I'll find somewhere else to stay. She's probably busy with work.
Ouais, finalement, il va pas dodo
I
de
wish
la
Harry was in
maison.
town. I could crash with him. Huh. Someone left me a voicemail. Number's blocked though.
Hey there, Spider. Long time no see.
Je reconnais la voix.
Come to this address. Catch me if you can.
Oh là
I
là.
think I know that voice.
Ah, moi aussi, je la reconnais cette voix. Moi, j'adore cette voix, franchement. Ouais, j'aime bien cette voix. Alors, je me demande du coup si on peut faire le DLC directement. Je pense pas. Non, en vrai, je pense pas. On va quand même finir l'histoire principale d'abord.
Hello, Spider. Been thinking about you a lot lately. We were good together, weren't we? Maybe it's time to reignite the flame.
Black Cat. Don't tell me she's scoping out places to rob. She promised she would give up that life. What was she looking at?
Alors, à part que le graffiti est super beau, franchement, magnifique. Je ne sais plus où c'est. Je crois que c'est. Ah, c'est là.
There. One of her cats. She packs those with range extenders, then harvests nearby RFID signals. I'll let Yuri know to pick it up. Felicia's too smart to be putting herself at risk like this. She must be desperate for some. Hey Yuri, you still have Black Cat's suit and equipment in the evidence lockup, right?
I think so. Why? Is she back at it?
Maybe. Just double check and let me know if her gear is still there.
Will do.
Bon, bah, y a plus rien, hein. Ça sert à rien de regarder, hein, franchement.
Hey May, you're calling late. What's up?
I thought we were gonna meet up for dinner tonight.
Oh, right. I'm sorry, I forgot. It's been a hard day. We lost funding at the lab.
Oh, Peter, I'm sorry.
I also kinda got evicted from my apartment.
What? Do you have a place to stay tonight?
Actually, no. Not really. I hate to ask, but any chance you have room at the shelter?
Of course. Feel free to use the couch in my office.
Thanks, May.
Comment on ouvre l'appareil photo déjà? Comme ça.
Local units, we're getting
Bam.
muggings in the area. Please mobilize toward Flatiron. Over.
Non, non, encore lui, non, non, non. Ah, on peut enlever. Non, en vrai, c'est stylé, c'est drôle. En fait, on n'a jamais le temps d'écouter parce que c'est long, mais le curier, le curier. J'arrive pas à monter, c'est quoi cette merde? Le gameplay foireux.
Can't believe I haven't slept since the Fisk takedown. Gotta start taking better care of myself.
Et il est encore debout. Si ça, c'est pas le pouvoir de l'araignée. Bah, mais est-ce que je t'en pose des questions, toi? Non, mais...
This couch is comfortable.
Bon, on va un petit peu explorer, je vais vous montrer un petit peu ce qu'il y a ici. Là, on a Peter diplômé, ça c'est pas mal. Là, on a Peter enfant.
Man, was I ever a dork.
Exactement. Je t'aurais tellement baffé que t'aurais changé de tête carrément.
So I was into horses.
Et ouais, avec les parents.
Wish May would take some of this down. It's embarrassing.
Oh, attends, ça se trouve, il y a des petits trèfles, non?
An artist I
Des
was
petits
not.
trèfles. Bon, si, franchement, c'est stylé, hein. Tu racontes n'importe quoi.
But I'm sure it looks good to May.
Bah, attends, c'est... Il y a
Wish
des
everybody had a
dessins...
mom like May.
Il y a des dessins
world
de
would be a better
Spider-Man.
place.
Il y avait même mon petit chat. Là, il y a Oncle Ben's.
Miss you.
Le riz. Le riz. Le riz, le riz, le riz. Bah c'est tout bon. C'est tout bon. On peut aller dodo.
I can't take this.
You can and you will.
I'll pay you back. Soon.
Just ask for help next time. Oh, you are so much like Ben. You have to learn to swallow that Parker pride and accept that you're human, like the rest of us. Martin,
Sorry to interrupt. Just wanted to let you know I'm headed out of town. You're in charge while I'm gone.
well, you can count on me. How long will you be away?
Really don't know.
Is everything okay?
It's some personal business I've been planning for a while. But please take care of this place. It represents the best part of me.
Well, I guess I better get busy.
Chelou Martin lié, hein.
Hello?
Hey, did you see my story?
I did. Robbie must be pretty happy right now.
Yeah, it kinda went viral. And get this, Mayor Osborn just announced he's going to give Officer Davis an award this afternoon.
Wow. Wait, isn't Osborn's campaign rally this after... Oh, I see what he's doing.
Yeah, we all do. But still a pretty cool moment for Officer Davis and his family. I'll be there covering it. Wanna join me?
Yeah, of course. See you then.
On va gérer Lex. Ok, du coup, surfing.
It's so
Ok.
humiliating taking money from May.
Oh, ferme-la, elle veut t'aider. Hop. On va chercher les petits sacs à dos en attendant. Hein. Il y en a un ici, sur... bah là. Ok.
not how an ATM works. That's not even an
Ouh là,
ATM.
ça c'est beau ça. Merde, ça c'est moins beau. Tap tap. Pip pap. Pilap.
Demons are after some serious financing.
Oh waouh waouh. La position ouais. T'as vu ça? Le mec il se cache carrément. Par contre il y a plein de billets qui volent. Moi je veux bien, je prends tout, je prends tout. Enfin bref. Ouais, je dégage de là, il y a les flics.
Hey, Jeff. Congrats on the ceremony today.
I'll be glad when it's over. A truck full of armed demons scares me less than public speaking. But I'm calling about something else.
What's up?
Just got a tip that the demons are moving on the Fisk construction site in Midtown. Wife would kill me if I ditched the ceremony prep to play cops and robbers, but I thought maybe my friendly neighborhood partner would want to know.
Understood. I'll do a swing by, let you know what I find. And hey, here's a tip on public speaking. Just picture everyone in their underwear. Wait, not Osborn. You know what? Just never mind.
Eh ben si Peter il fait ça, laisse tomber.
Consolidated shipping. Jeff, I'm here.
What do you see?
Find the rest. The boss wants them dead.
Looks like the demons are moving in on Fisk's territory.
You got this?
I got this.
Les doigts dans le nez, tout ça là. Regarde lui, il va se retourner, hop, attraper. Lui, pareil. Hop, attraper. Lui, hop. Et on m'a vu. La bagarre, la bagarre. Let's go la bagarre.
Got what you came for. You don't need to kill us too.
Fisk's territory is ours now.
Not today.
Encore de la bagarre. Donc ouais, ils veulent reprendre les territoires de Fisk, ces petits enfoirés. On va pas les laisser faire, hein. C'était stylé ce que je viens de faire là par contre. J'ai même pas fait exprès, je voulais lancer des toiles normales.
Hey, Willie.
You.
Nice jumpsuit. Slimming.
Stay out of my business.
Wait, the demons. Who's their leader?
Keep my men alive and maybe I'll tell you.
Elle est belle la vie en prison, hein.
Saving bad guys from other
Téléphone.
bad guys. Not how I thought today
C'est
would
beau
go.
tout ça. Bon. Du coup on va protéger les méchants comme il a dit. Des autres méchants. 619 Rey Mysterio.
You two stay here. Wait for the police.
Comment je peux faire? Bam! J'ai pas réussi. Genou bouche.
Sure, sure.
T'inquiète, je te ferai pas de
Around the
mal.
outside to look for Fist's men. Sleep it off.
Oh, il a glissé, c'était ultra stylé. Il y a beaucoup de... Le chantier, il est énorme. Énorme. Je sais pas ce qu'ils construisent, mais... Ah, l'autre il est tombé. Ok.
Literally didn't see that coming.
Hop. Attention là, ils vont envoyer du pâté.
Hey, big guy.
Vas-y, ramène-toi. Je vais mourir là. Arrête là. Ça y est frère. J'ai compris au bout d'un moment. T'es fort, tu fais des frappes au sol comme le choker. Voilà, KO. Au bout d'un moment. Ah, il y a moyen que je crève là, attends. Il y a moyen que je crève, j'ai pas envie. Il va survivre. Je lui ai mis une petite toile pour qu'il se ramène... pour qu'il se ramasse contre le mur. Ouf, oh la vache. Voilà.
You okay?
Oh, il est asthmatique lui. La tout grasse qu'il a eu là.
Your men are safe. Your turn. Who runs the
Enfin,
demons?
asthmatique, il a une bronchite. Merde, j'ai coupé le dialogue. My bad.
Hello again. Oh, come on. No, 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 no!
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Allez, tu peux le faire. Tu peux le faire, mon pote. Vas-y. Spider-Man, 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 Spider-Man. Accroche-moi ça là. Voilà, ça c'est beau. Par contre, la puissance du type hein, pour se réveiller en pleine chute alors qu'il était évanoui, le mec. C'est... Il est très fort, très très fort.
Yeah, things with the demons got complicated. Sit tight, Yuri. I got this. Please, let me have this.
Hop. Faut que je le rattrape parce que sinon il va faire des dégâts le petit. Hein. Il est en train de me faire tourner en bourrique là.
Whoa, rockets!
That helicopter is destroying the city.
Oui bah
I know.
You need to bring it down.
I know.
Maybe you could superhero a little faster?
Working on it, Yuri. Call you when it's done.
bah vas-y viens le faire à ma place pour qu'on voit. Si tu arrives hein. Connaissant le métier, c'est assez compliqué je trouve. Hein.
Oh! Too close. Now's my chance.
Hop, je l'ai. Je me suis pris un missile en pleine gueule, mais ça va. Cavale, cavale, y a pas le temps, cavale.
Hope I live to regret this.
Voilà. Cavale, mon pote. Hop, hop, oh, je me suis pris dans la gueule.
Hi, is this the flight to Newark?
Voilà, let's go. On défonce cet hélico là. Merde, il est là. Vas-y, viens par là, viens par là. Viens. Hop. Allez, je spam.
One engine down. Now for the second. Afraid I have to ask you to pull over the helicopter, sir.
Je spam, je spam, je spam, je spam. Allez, 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 allez. Parfait.
Need a plan. Plan real fast.
Bah écoute le plan, ce sera ça.
I guess this is the
Improvisation.
plan. Come on, Pete, you got this.
Ah bah là t'es obligé de le faire, sinon
You got this.
si tu le fais pas, voilà. Là on est bon.
Please don't screw this up.
Piu, 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 piu. Alors je vous explique, je viens de faire de la merde. Juste pour le contexte, j'ai appuyé sur le bouton menu de la play et ça m'a empêché de terminer mon QTE. Mais on reprend tout de suite.
Need a plan. Plan real fast. I guess this is the plan. Come on, Pete, you got this. You got this, you got this, you got this. Please don't screw this up.
Piu, 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 piu.
These masks are so awesome. Where do you get them? Oh, cool, thanks. Do they have a website? Yes. Whoops. Hey, Yuri. I caught the bad guys, but...
But what?
You might want to bring a ladder. Yo, Miles. Hey, fanboy. Oh, crap, I'm late. You coming?
Nah, I gotta get to City Hall for my dad's ceremony.
All right. Tell your pops I said congrats.
On vient de voir Miles fucking Morales.
MJ, did they start the ceremony yet?
They're still setting up. Where are you?
Got hung up at
J'arrive,
work.
j'arrive.
Be there soon.
On va y aller vite vite hein. Hop.
robbery in progress. Officers needed in Gramercy. Please copy.
Oula. Petit balancement était pas bon là. Ah bah écoutez, j'ai pas trop le temps de faire des petits crimes par-ci par-là. Ah.
I don't want to jinx us, but the lead I'm following might not only get the project back on its feet, but also expand it in ways we never could have imagined. Everything happens for a reason, even Norman pulling our plug.
Really hope this works out. Doc's work is too important to go unfinished.
Hop. Nous y est. Et c'est parti pour la masterclass.
Stage entrance. And we'll be right out front.
Sounds like a lot of people out there.
You'll be fine, honey.
The last time I gave a speech, I was in high school. Miss Steinberg gave me a C-.
Well, if only Miss Steinberg could see you now.
Hey, you got this, Dad. I mean, come on, you saved Spider-Man. I'm pretty sure that makes you an official superhero.
A superhero. Or maybe I'm just a guy who doesn't give up.
Come on, honey.
Welcome, everyone. And before I hand it off to Mayor Osborn, I'd just like to say a few words.
So?
I think this gang war may finally be over.
Like over?
I mean, there's some loose ends still to be tied up, but...
Loose ends.
Well, a truck pulled away from the scene from a company called Consolidated Shipping. Something's not right about it. I just don't know what.
Well, maybe after this we can grab some coffee. Figure it out together.
Yeah.
Well, thanks, Jim. Couldn't have said it better myself, but I'll try. We all know that Officer Davis is a hero.
But, instead of coffee, maybe we could have dinner instead. I could come over, I'll cook. Or we could, meet at a totally neutral location for a completely normal meal, cooked by professionals.
For acts of extraordinary bravery, above and beyond the call of duty, it is my privilege to present Officer Jefferson Davis with the Department Medal of Honor.
Phone call, sir.
Kind of in the middle of something here, Jim.
Sounds urgent, sir.
Fine. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Mayor. I share this honor with my family. My wife, Rio, and my son, Miles. Without their support, I couldn't do what I do.
Yes?
I've worked many years for this moment.
Who is this?
Over the coming days, your company, your city, and everything you care about will be destroyed. People will beg you for help, but you won't be able to save them.
Listen, jackass, I get threats like this twice a week. Why don't you grow a pair and tell me what you want?
To watch you suffer.